Mabuhay! I am Croce Jimmy Aspuria, HM6A. From this topic, I realize how important socio-economic factors are in shaping the workplace and tourism industry. I learned that cultural awareness is not just about knowing different traditions, but also about respecting, understanding people's backgrounds. It made me more aware of how important inclusivity, equality are in creating a positive work environment. I also understand that organizations have responsibility not only to earn profit but support communities and contribute to the economy. Learning about affordable tourism and sustainable practices made me realize that we should think about long-term impact, especially in protecting environment and preserving culture. Most importantly, I learned that clear communication and feedback help improve performance, well-being. This topic helped me see how fairness, respect, and sustainability can lead to both personal and organizational growth. Thank you.